Guys, welcome back to another video from your girl Casey Unstoppable, and today I'm gonna make for you coconut curry fritters. This is a recipe I saw Auntie Donna was doing, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna try this. So don't go nowhere, guys. I'll be right back.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
These are all my ingredients I'm gonna use. So as you can see, I have my flour here. I have 2 cups of flour right here. I have a coconut milk right here, and I have some scotch bonnet pepper. I have some onions. I have 2 sausage. I have some scallion. I have some thyme right here. I have some saltfish right here that I boil and pick. And over here I have my better pack curry over here, and I have some black pepper right here. So guys, I'm gonna get down to business right now and show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my seasonings. I'm cutting up my scallion and I'm dicing it very small. My scallion, so this is my onion, so I'm gonna cut it very small. So now I'm gonna cut up my sausages. I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. I think I'm just gonna use just one because I'm not too much of a lover of sausage, so I'm gonna just do one. So as I said, guys, I saw Auntie Donna was doing this in her kitchen sometime last week, so I said this is a must try, because sometimes you have to try new stuff. Yeah, you can't just see stuff and say, oh, I don't like that. You have to try new stuff. I like to try new stuff. I like to try different cultures food also. So now that I cut up my seasoning, I'm gonna turn to my flour right now. So I'm gonna add my curry, and I'm using better pack curry. I'm gonna add in my coconut powder. I'm gonna mix in the ingredients. I'm gonna add a little salt to it because I've already boiled out the salt out of the saltfish. So I'm gonna put a little salt to it, not much. So I'm gonna put some salt. Okay, so I'm gonna add my water in. I'm gonna mix it in. As you see, it's too thick, so I'm gonna put some more water. So now, guys, I'm gonna put in my onion, my scallion, and my thyme, and my scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, I taste some just now. The flour just now, it tastes so good. The coconut milk, coconut powder, give it a kick. Remember, wow. I'm gonna add in my sausages. I'm gonna put in my saltfish. Wow. Now, guys, I'm gonna put a tip of black pepper. Not too much. Fritters look rich. Oh, look at that. So guys, my pot is on the fire. So I'm gonna put my oil and let it heat up for a bit. Now guys, my oil is hot to the extent that I want it. So I'm gonna drop my fritters. I'm gonna make them very small, not too massive. Guys, I used to have an aunt back home in Jamaica. She died now, like 2 years now, or 3 years going now, and she made the best fritters. She used to have a cook shop, and when people come to court, the shop used to be close to the courthouse, and when people come to court, they come to get my aunt fritters. She was the best fritters maker in my district. Yeah. So I learned from the best. So now guys, I'm gonna turn it over on the other side. Looking good already. Looking good. I think I need to get a bigger pot. Looking good already, and it's not done as yet. So guys, I'm gonna take out this set. Guys, that's the final result of my coconut curry fritters. Look at that. It's lovely and it is delicious. You guys should try this. As I said, I saw Auntie Dana doing this, so I said, you know what, I have to try this. So guys, you know what time is it right now? It's time to like up my video, share my video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about my coconut curry fritters, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know each time I upload a video. I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye. And guys, that coconut powder, it gives these fritters a kick. You guys should try it.